This is my first video of making a car review. I bring you this 2005 Toyota Camry LE. Now, one of my companions got that. I don't know what engine it is, but I'm guessing it may be like a V6 or a 3.5 cylinder car or something like that. So, yeah. As far as I don't want somebody to see me filming all the time. Almost forgot. Make sure to unlock when you make videos. One thing I like about Toyota is that system, the beeping. So. Now this probably was broken when I just first saw that when one of my companions got that. And now you see it's not coming back properly. So see, this is like a 5-speed manual transmission, of course. This car needs to be cleaned up, so I'll give it a starter up and let it run. Nope, I'm not gonna be driving it because I'm not insured yet. Gonna give it a good start up. So. Four-spoke vinyl wrap. I'm not gonna be running this for so long because I just want to save some gas, just in case I want to do something. So, turning on these headlights, of course, I'll put it on for you. I don't know how to set up the fog lights, but I'll set up the hazards. How do I do this? Oh, here we go. I'm not afraid of getting hit by cars right now. I'm trying my best not to get hit by cars. So try not to worry way too much. This is the engine. Yeah, make sure I slim it. I thought I didn't want to do that just because it's fragile. It's plastic. But yeah. This is the mileage. It's pretty high mileage for a 19-year-old car, but it's got repaired by one of my companion's friends and our relatives. So I'm gonna turn off these. So worry about my companion's crap, so yep. Yep, right there. Sorry, my phone is cheap. That's why it glitched like that. Ooh. I gotta turn off this car now. I'll get it clean after I do this video. Alright, Mr. Car. Let me... I'm gonna turn you off. Make sure I turned it off. Is it off? Huh? Sorry, I am an idiot. I did drop that. Oh, I just popped a trunk, didn't I? I'm not gonna have with that. Don't worry, guys. I just found it. It's hard. It just went right into the driver's seat. So I have to turn it back on. I forgot the automatic windows. This is gonna be a little cutaway, guys. It's in dark. Where is the... You guys can still see it in dark, so there we go. Also forgot the sunroof. So alright. Yeah. This is my review of this good Toyota Camry. If you guys are looking for a good used old car like that, get a Camry or any other Toyota products. They'll work just as good for you as you expect. Just like Honda would work for you as you would expect as well. But make sure it doesn't have very high mileage, and if it's not repaired, don't buy it. This will be the best routine to have a good used vehicle. Now it goes to what I'm gonna tell myself about is I feel like I'm not gonna be driving this car very often if I start driving, but I have to. I wouldn't say I'm a huge fan of Toyota, even though it's the best car company. I always wanted to trade into a Mazda if I'm done after using that for like, 5 months or something like that. Besides sell it. So, yeah. There you have it, guys. Different spokes on the hubcaps, which is deceiving. So, yeah. As always, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So, my name is Doc Sasson, known as 911 Chap, and this is 911 Priority.